Hey guys, welcome to Safi Next. In this video, I'm talking about adding multi-row side-by-side figures in Latex. So let's see how can we do this. You see here I'm using the document class article and I have activated two packages, one graphics and the other subfigures. The graphics package enables LaTeX to add figures and the subfig package adds an additional command subfloats in the figure environments that enables LaTeX to treat every subfigure as a separate figure. So let's move to the figures. Here I have generated figure environments to begin subfigure and end subfigure, and then I have added an optional argument at this position which compels logic to put the figure right at this position within the text. The centering command puts the whole figure at the center of the page. In this command, subfloats, which works under the package subfigure, enables LaTeX to treat every figure as a separate figure under the same subfigure environment. So I have added again an optional argument which will label the figures, and then I'm adding figure to include graphics command. By changing this number, you can change the size of the figure, and this is the name of the figure which must be placed in the folder where the LaTeX documents exist. And from here, I'm labeling the figure. Then I add a little horizontal space that will separate the two side-by-side figures by this amount. This is the repetition of the same command, but what I do here, I add another figure which I have named as figure 2. And this is the important thing. I'm adding the next two figures by first adding a separate line. That is, I command logic to put the next two figures in this figure environment and another row. And I repeat the same procedure for the rest of the two figures. You see here I have, oh, this is a mistake and I want to change this to figure C and this one to figure D. So this is a third figure of which I'm adding under the same environment, and this is fourth figure. And note that I have labeled every figure with a distinctive label: figure 1A, figure 1B, figure 1C, and figure 1D. I can refer to any of these figures inside the text by uh, adding this key in the text. And similarly, then I have labeled the whole figure with another key, which I call it as figure 1. So I can label all the four figures simultaneously through this key and the individual figure through any of the separate key that I have added to the corresponding figure. And here I'm adding the caption. If I build the document, you see now the figures are placed side by side. This is first row and this is second row. So we have four figures and every figure is separately labeled with alphabet A, B, C, and D. And then the whole figure is labeled with figure 1. And this is the caption of the whole figure. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to Safi Mix, kindly support the channel through your valued subscription.